everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbil, the seat from the 27th to the 30th of September 2021 on Monday. Kamadonsela cannot cheat Idlozi, the ancestors, as they reveal themselves at the church conference. Kamadonsela goes into a trance and starts to shake on Tuesday. Buhle is conflicted whether to choose love or her family. Buhle lies to Zenzele about her grandmother being in hospital on Wednesday. At Shongolo Oil, Zitulele worries about the impact Lulu's social media story will have on their business. Kanyo is surprised when she is called in to testify in Phakate's case on Thursday. Zenzele and Musa open fire at the Maluchu benefit. It's the season of deadly cries on Imbil. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.